let's dive into the world of creativity with this viral cucumber stew made without fresh tomatoes. So I made this stew today and it came out unbelievably delicious. Let me show you how to make this. You will need some fresh cucumbers and a large amount of beef. Start by bringing your beef into a large pot. Season the beef with some curry powder, dried thyme, minced garlic, grated ginger, some beef bouillon cubes, bay leaves, and salt. Add some reasonable amount of water to the beef. You just need enough water to cook the beef until they turn really tender. Now cover and bring this to a boil. So I came back to this and I added a little amount of scotch bonnet pepper. Cover this again and bring to a boil for about 40 minutes. While the meat is simmering, let's prep the main ingredients, which is the cucumber. You do not need the skin in the stew because your stew will turn out a little bit grainy. Once you're done peeling the cucumbers, cut into half and then slice lengthwise to pull out the seeds. You will also need to cut the cucumbers into little pieces. This makes it really easy to blend. Repeat this with all of the cucumbers until you're done. Now, bring the cucumbers into your blender and pulse it a few times until you have a smooth puree. Once you're done, pour the cucumber puree over a strainer and set aside to drain. Add some chili peppers and 1 scotch bonnet to the same blender and blend it up, then set aside for later. You can return to the meat, check it to see if all the pieces are tender. Once you're happy with the doneness, drain out all the pieces from the meat broth and then set the broth aside. Next, place the empty pot back on the stove. Add some vegetable oil to it and then add a few slices of onions for flavor. Go ahead and add in the cooked beef into the oil. Deep fry the meat for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, the beef should be nicely golden, just like this. Drain out all the pieces from the oil and set aside. Next, take out some of the oil, leaving about 1 cup in the pot. Go in with your chopped onions, 1 bay leaf, minced garlic, and grated ginger. Saute these aromatics for a couple of minutes until they start to fragrance. Once you can perceive that nice aroma, you can then go in with your tomato paste. This will add a beautiful color to your cucumber stew. Stir fry the tomato paste for 10 minutes until the raw flavor is all gone. After that, add in the blended chili pepper. Now is the time to bring in the star of the show, which is the cucumber paste. Can you see the amount of liquid that we are able to strain out? This is a lot. You can discard the greenish liquid and then scoop the cucumber paste to the stew. Gently stir this until everything is beautifully combined. Go ahead and place a lid over it. Let the stew simmer on low heat for 10 minutes while you stir it intermittently. Once you're sure your stew is properly fried, season it with a little bit of pepper, curry powder, thyme, paprika, salt, and beef bouillon cubes. Give the stew a nice stir, making sure everything is nicely incorporated. After that, add about half cup of the beef broth and stir this properly to come together. Cover this again and simmer for just 5 minutes. Guys, this cucumber stew looks really appealing, isn't it? So let's add in the fried beef at this point. Stir this to combine well. Cover it again and simmer for another 5 minutes. You want the stew to turn out really nice, so it's important to cook this a little bit longer. Now I can confidently tell you to go and make this viral cucumber stew. It is totally worth it. Guys, you can even tell that this cucumber stew is made without fresh tomatoes. The taste is so good and the color is absolutely vibrant and appealing. You can serve your cucumber stew over boiled white rice, or if you prefer some cooked potatoes, you can easily just pair your stew with them. These two go so well together. Trust me guys, once you are able to try this flavorful stew, you will eventually ditch those overpriced fresh tomatoes and make this often. Thank you so much guys for watching the video. If you like it, give a thumbs up, share the video with your friends. If this is your first time stopping by, please remember to subscribe to the channel, hit on the bell icon to keep you posted. Until next time.